Hi, I'm Mike, and today, out of America's Test Kitchen Slow Cooker Cookbook, we're going to make Chicken Cacciatore. And then at the end, I'm going to go ahead and rate the recipe. So, let's get started. Starting off with cutting 1 pound of mushrooms into quarters. Then we're going to add 1 onion, chopped up, followed by garlic and oregano and some red pepper flakes. Going to put that aside. And then we're going to do a 1/2 cup of dried red wine, and then we're going to add the tomato products. We're going to clean up the chicken thighs, and the chicken thighs we're going to need to keep the bone in, but then remove the skin, and we're going to season that with salt and pepper. Then we're going to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil until shimmering and add the onion and mushrooms. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt to that and stir it up, and then we're going to cover it, and we'll cover it for 5 minutes, allow it to cook. After 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and uncover it and let it continue to cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then we're going to add that tomato paste, garlic, and the seasoning that we mixed up earlier. And we're going to stir that in until it browns a little bit with the tomato paste, followed by the red wine, and let that boil for a couple minutes. Meanwhile, add the crushed tomatoes to the slow cooker. Then we're going to transfer it to the slow cooker. We're going to nestle in the chicken thighs, and then off we go for about 4 to 5 hours. And you really don't want to uncover this and keep checking it. Let it sit until it gets tender. And then this is a great dish to have spaghetti on the side, so we'll go ahead and cook that up. After the chicken is completely tender, I'm going to transfer that to a plate and then add about 1 tablespoon of the red wine vinegar. And then finally, time to serve, and it's good to put a little bit of the sauce on the spaghetti so that it doesn't clump, and then we can add more sauce to both the chicken and the spaghetti at the end, and then we're going to enjoy. And of course, I'm going to rate it. So we've got the chicken thighs cooked for 4 hours and then a side of spaghetti. So let's taste, see how it is. I've already tasted the sauce and it tastes pretty good, especially with that red wine vinegar. It's pretty good. Sauce is good. Let me taste the chicken. Chicken falls apart, falls right off the bone, as a matter of fact. Yeah, it's very good. I think it needs a little more flavor in the sauce, but chicken is good, so I'm going to rank this 4 stars. All right, come back for more. I'll see you next time.